Welcome back to the crypto updates. In this video, I will show you how to claim 50 million Dogelight tokens for free. The Telegram link is in the video description below. Open the link in your Telegram, then just join this Telegram channel. Here we post more than 3 airdrops every day. These airdrops are completely free. You don't need to pay a penny to receive all these airdrops. The steps are clearly mentioned in each airdrop. After joining this Telegram channel, click on this link of Dogelight airdrop. Click on Start. Now we just need to follow these simple steps. We will follow their Twitter, we will join their Telegram channel and group, that's it. So first we will join Twitter, so click on Twitter. Just follow their Twitter page. And retweet this pinned post. Go back to Telegram and click on the Telegram channel. And join it. Again go back and click on Telegram group. And join it. Now click on Check. Click Join Airdrop. We have completed these tasks, so we will now submit our details. Submit your Telegram username. Enter your Telegram username. Submit your Twitter profile link. Enter your Twitter profile link and you will find it in your Twitter profile. Open your Twitter account in any web browser, then click on Profile and copy the profile link from address bar. Submit Binance Smart Chain address. So go to your Trust wallet, click on the Smart Chain and copy the address from here. And paste here. Now we have completed our task. Now you can check this page and withdraw your bonus after August 15th. Thanks for watching.